Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a schedule in Google Sheets. So here I've already opened the docs.google.com/spreadsheets, and to make a schedule, it's actually pretty easy. You can use the blank page and you can create it from scratch, or you can make it easier by choosing the template from Google Sheets. So you can just go to the template gallery and then find schedule. So it's actually in the personal category, and you can see there's a schedule here. So you can just click on that template and it will be open automatically. And after that, if you want to change it into like week or a weekly or monthly schedule, you can just do that by adding some adjustment here. You can also, if you want to, you can just, for example, week of I'm going to change it into 2023, and then here I'm going to change it into like this, January 4, for example. And then after that, you can just made some adjustment in here. For example, go to work, run some errands, for example. And you can also do others adjustment in here, and you can also always change the time here. For example, you went to work at 9, you can just delete this and do it like that. And you can also do some other adjustment like this color if you don't like green color, and you can also add some notes and to-do list in here. Okay, so that's all from me. So if you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to like, click on thanks, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Bye.